This is a new episode of Triggre Weekend Masterclass, and today I'm going to explain you how you can use the function list contains, which is a very powerful function. First, I'm going to explain you what it does in the actual application, and after that I'm going to show you how you can use it in the designer. So in this case, we have an application which generates quotations, and those quotations have products. And the functionality that I've built is I'm going to select a product, and when I've selected the product, I want to see in which quotations it has been used. So let me show you how this looks in the actual application. So I've got the list of products over here, and if I would click the top one and click the button Show All Quotations, I get a list with all the quotations that it has been linked to this specific product. To show you that the list is different with other products, I'm going to select the bottom one as well. Show All Quotations, it's only linked to one of them. Okay, so let me show you how that works in the designer. So we have the user flow, and we have products, and we have all quotations with a specific product. And you can use this function, by the way, in user flows, but also in flow parts. But in this case, I've applied it in a user flow. And what we have here is we have the data item quotations, because that's what we would like to show. However, we are going to apply a filter because we only want to show the quotations that that specific product is linked to. And as you can see here, we have a filter which says list, and then the quotation line product contains the product that we selected in the table. And you might wonder, like, hey, why isn't it possible to just say product is product? Because that's what we typically do with filters. And the reason for that is that we have a product, and that is linked to a quotation line. And there can be more than one quotation lines linked to a quotation. So because of the reference that we have, where we go from a single item to multiple items, which is linked to a single item again, we need to use the list contains, because we want to show a list of quotations that contain the product that we've selected. So that's what you need to keep in mind. We want to show a list of quotations. And I'm going to show you that the other way isn't even possible in this case, because we've got, if I would like to create a filter and I would take the quotation property, then I need to go to the quotation lines, and those quotation lines have a product. And you can see the icon here, but this is a list. So if I would do this, and I would say equals as you can see here, I cannot select the selected product in the table because it's a single entity, because I can only select one product. I can open it and I can select the list of quotation lines, but that's not what I want. I need to link it to a product. So that's why you need to use the function list contains. So I'm going to remove this to show you where you can find this function. So click on the plus, go to function, and at the near bottom it says list A contains B. Next. First, I'm going to select the list that I would like to show. So in this case, I would like to show the quotation property. based on the products that we have. So I want to have the list of, the quotation has quotation lines with products, and those items need to contain the product that I've selected. I'm going to say contains, property from user flow, and there you go. Now I can select the selected product in the table. Next, next, until you're at done. And now you've successfully used the list contains linking. Thanks for watching. There are only 2 things you need to do. 1, hit the like button. 2, subscribe to our channel.